Welcome to Silkytreat Channel, easy delicious cooking. On the menu today, Nam Tok Mu Thai grilled pork. Ingredients: lime juice, palm sugar or brown sugar, pork shoulder, fish sauce, black pepper, shallots, spring green onions, chili powder pepper, saw leaves, coriander, mint leaves, and cabbage leaves. Toasted blended rice, sticky rice. Preparation: marinated the pork shoulder for 10 minutes, in a mixture of fish sauce, lime juice, palm or brown sugar, black ground pepper, chili powder pepper, finely cut spring onions, shallots, and mint leaves. In a pan, add a small amount of neutral oil and add the ground rice. Once roasted, blend it in powder in a mortar, add the rice to the marinated mixture. Grill and brown the pork. Once ready, slice finely, mix to the marinade, add more lime juice and chili powder if needed to your taste. Serve on a plate with steamed sticky rice, cabbage leaves, mint leaves. All ready to serve and eat. Enjoy these foods. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment if you wish. Please subscribe, like and share. This would help my channel. Thank you.